Welcome. This tutorial will show you how to set user preferences in Eclo ExpressThermo, Windows 10 application. We've designed ExpressThermo to be highly customizable, allowing you to adjust the way it works, to match as much as possible, the way you prefer things, and to adapt to your daily workflow. These options are accessible through the Settings option in the main menu. Settings are grouped by its context. We'll go through each group and explain what the purpose for each setting is. To make your life easier, each change that you make is automatically saved. That's why you won't see a Save button here. The first tab contains the default actions and allows you to automate various operations according to your preferences and the desired workflow. Let's go through them. For your convenience, when you connect a logger, ExpressThermo's default behavior is to automatically download it so you don't have to lose focus on what's important to you, the log data. Nevertheless, if you wish to perform this task manually, just set the corresponding setting to No, using its switch. There is also the option to stop the logger after it is downloaded. If this fits your usual procedure, all you have to do is to turn on this option. From now on, after downloading a logger, ExpressThermo will stop the mission for you. Previous version data files. This ExpressThermo version maintains backwards compatibility with older format data files, although it requires an internet connection to open them. This setting allows you to turn on, or off, the automatic conversion of those files to the current format when opening them. We recommend that you leave this option on, because the newer format will load faster, as it doesn't require any conversion, nor an internet connection. The last settings of this group allow you to turn on or off various confirmation messages in situations such as removing a logger from the list, stopping or programming a logger. If you choose Ask for approval, ExpressThermo will seek your confirmation prior to executing those tasks, otherwise it will perform them silently. The next tab allows you to customize the information display regarding units, formats, and colors. In terms of units to display, you can set the temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, and the date and time information, in local time or GMT. Following, we find the File Export Format setting. This setting is used when log data is exported, in main page. You can choose between CSV and Microsoft Excel format. You can also customize the colors that ExpressThermo uses for charts. To pick a color for each of the various lines, press the button with the down arrow on the right side and select a color. On the Advanced tab, you find settings that are only required in specific cases. The activity log is used to register the operations performed on file and must be activated only by indication of our support team. If you enable the activity log, you should set a folder on your computer, where the ExpressThermo will save the files. The templates folder is only required if you use features related to programming templates or optional modules. Press the square button on the right side to select a folder. You can ignore adapters that are not activated to work with ExpressThermo. In this option you can view the ignored adapters and remove them from this list if you wish to activate them. In the last two tabs, you can check our privacy policy and see information about the program. Here, you can also check the license number of the adapter that is currently connected. This completes the ExpressThermo settings tutorial. You've learned how to adjust the available settings according to your convenience, remove ignored adapters to activate them, and view adapter license information. Thank you for watching. Please check the ExpressThermo support site or the YouTube channel for more tutorials.